This is the fun of getting a brand new lawnmower and not knowing what to do with it.
Okay, let's do it goes like this.
That's easy enough. See how easy that was?